Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another collaboration with my NailTube friends. We're celebrating the change of season and these are the manicures that were prepared. I'll leave a link to their videos in the description box below. We're all going into different seasons and we had to use a holographic nail polish in some way. The holographic polish I chose is this one from My Dance. It doesn't have a name, but it is a gorgeous purple holo. It says it's number 012. I think I got this one on the Wish app. If I can find it, I'll have it linked below. And on two nails, I'll be using this beautiful purple polish from the Sinful Colors new scented collection. This one is called Low-Key Lavender. The plate I'll be using is Cosedora's Hidden Garden, and this one is from the Make-A-Wish collection. And to stamp, I'll use Cosedora's purple stamping polish called Purple Rain. I already applied one thin coat of the purple holo polish, but I want to apply the second coat with you guys. And I'll also apply the second coat of the Sinful Colors polish. And now that the polish is dry, it's time to start stamping. Since we're heading into spring, I decided to choose this beautiful floral print. I apply the polish on the plate, scrape off the excess, and pick it up with the stamper, then stamp it directly onto my nail. I use the same image for both nails. I do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. I'll apply my NailArt Quick Dry Glass Shine top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I didn't apply a top coat on the stamped nails because I really like the semi-matte finish that it has, and I really love the combination. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!